Hello and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Today we have the Airfix Westland Whirlwind Mark 1 kit number 02064. Tooling for this one actually dates back to 1977, though our box here is a bit younger, coming in at 1997. Quite the vintage feel. Inside, the sprues look really clean for their age. They're a bit simple in design, nothing too fancy, but that's exactly what makes them fun to build. A little paint and attention to detail, and they really start to shine. As with many kits this age, some parts are missing from the sprue, but that's just the charm of the older models. It's part of the history. Then let's talk about the aircraft itself. The Westland Whirlwind was designed to a 1935 specification as a single-seat day and night fighter. It was one of Britain's most innovative aircraft at the time, packing 4 20mm cannons in the nose. Its sleek, low-wing design and streamlined cockpit made it a very modern-looking fighter in the late 1930s. Production was limited, but it saw action with No. 25 and No. 263 squadrons, performing low-level raids and convoy patrols in the English Channel and northern France. While its numbers were small, the Whirlwind was known for its speed, firepower and unique profile. Definitely one of the more unusual-looking fighters of World War II. Looking at the sprues, you can really start to see the Whirlwind's distinctive shape coming together. The wings, the nose, the fuselage, it's all there waiting for a little TLC from your paintbrush. For fans of vintage aircraft or anyone who just loves building something a bit different, this kit is a real treat. So what do you think? Would you build the Whirlwind? Should we see more of these classic kits reissued for modern modelers? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this retro unboxing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more kits, more history, and maybe a couple of surprises. We'll see you next time.